Hi guys, Better from Slider here. So we have a new platform that we created as well. It's called the Business Manager. What the Business Manager generally does is it combines all your locations, all your brands under one main or key account which belongs to you. All right. So in order to create a business manager, you need to reach out to us. We'll be creating the business manager for you and sharing the login credentials. We'll be creating all the brands that you want under this main business manager, and then all your accounts or all your locations will be added under these brands. All right, so the general tree format, or how does it work under the business manager, is that there is a key account which is called the enterprise client, and then under it is as many brands as you have, and in each brand is as many locations as you need to have. Right, so we create that flow in the business managers for you to be able to track all your details. You'll be able to see your top brands, how many orders are they doing per day or per month, and so on. And here you see your latest transactions regarding invoicing. You'll be able to see all your recent orders. You'll be able to know the order number and under which brand and under which location exactly were these orders done, and the status of these orders. For example, here you see there's one brand and it has two locations. You clearly see that one location has 30 orders while the other has 0. So this gives you an indication of how well that location is doing in terms of deliveries. If you go to brand, you'll be able to see all the brands here. For this specific test account, we created only a single brand. In case you have more, we'll be adding more. All right, so for account managers, or what we call them is your individual locations, you'll be able to view all their details from here as well. All right, it generally has the same logic as the order manager or your normal account. The only difference is that you have this option which is called the wallet top up. All right, it's also available per location. However, we created an option here where you're able as an enterprise account to fill up a master wallet. All right, the master wallet can be used by all individual locations under your brands. So for example, instead of individually filling up the accounts one by one, you can just fill up a master wallet and all your locations can use this wallet. Whenever you do any transaction, it will show the transaction details here. All right, you have another option which is order analytics. All the orders placed under any location, they will be added here, and you'll be able to track, you'll be able to have more information on each single order as you go. All right, invoice list, it shows that if you have any invoices that are unpaid or there's any invoicing agreement, you'll be able to see more details here. Payout, it shows all the cash on deliveries collected for all your accounts, whether it's a per location or for all of the locations. You can create also a payout request. You want to take back all the cash on deliveries collected from your clients. You can create single time for all accounts. You can collect all the available balance, or if you want, I want to collect only the COD balance taken from this account, for example, or this account has 0, this account has 577. I want to pull out only 200, for example, from this account. I'll submit the request and it will create it here. Within 48 hours, it will be transferred to your bank account. All right, we also have the same options here added in the business manager, which is adding a payment methods, auto recharge option, which will auto fill your master wallet. Okay, whenever the balance drops below, let's say for example 200 dirhams, auto fill up your master wallet by, let's say, 1000 dirhams, so that your accounts or your brands keep running on deliveries and nothing gets disturbed. All right, in case you want just a balance notification, for example, if my balance drops below, for example, 200, just send me an email to my registered email that my balance dropped below 200 and I need to top up again. This will just give you a balance notification. Here in the account settings, you can just see more details about your account, and you can add your bank details in case you have a payout requested. So we need the bank details to transfer it to your account. All right, so this sums up the business manager, and we're going to be adding a lot more to it in terms of analytics to help you understand more regarding your brands, your locations, your orders, and your clients. So thank you so much for using Slider. Take care.